Hey guys, welcome to our Crazy RV. This is video number 2 of a 2-part series in which we're going to be looking at how to install a decal on your RV. And we have our decal made already here. If you missed video number 1, make sure to go check that out. It is how to remove decals from your RV and get things cleaned up. We previously had a decal up there that said Eagle by Jayco, and you can still see it a little bit, but it's pretty much gone. The decal is gone. I think it's just our RV is so old that it's sort of baked into it. Anyways, so we're going to go and install this, but it's hard to tell you during it. So I'm going to give you the steps right up front, and then you have to watch to at the end just to see how it's all done. But step number 1, purchase your decal. We have our decal here, which we got from ReproMap. I'll include their link below if you're looking for someone to make a decal for you. And if you need help designing it, you can always just leave a comment below and we'd be glad to help you out with that. Purchase your decal. Number 2 is you need to prep the area. So we have rubbing alcohol here, and you clean and make sure that your RV is completely clean, which is what we did earlier today. And then I guess this is step 3. You then go up and you clean the area with rubbing alcohol so that it's completely clean of all things, and that gives a good clean stick for your decal. Step number 4, you'll go up and you will arrange your decal. So we're going to use some painter's tape, and we're going to hang it up top exactly in the position that it needs to be. And then step number 5, this actually peels apart. So you'll see here that it peels like this. And the backing will actually peel the backing off. And so we did this earlier with some smaller decals, and it was pretty interesting. So I'm looking forward to doing this in the little bit of wind that we have. And I think that we are going to be extra slow because it's going to be tricky without getting this thing stuck in places we don't want it to get stuck. Once that's done, this will be stuck to the RV, and then we'll use this tool. It's just a flat piece of plastic, and we'll use it to get out any of the air bubbles. And then once that's done, you just peel the front off, and you've got the new decal on your RV. I don't know how many steps that ended up being, but that's what we're going to do. That's it, guys. That's how easy it is to install your own decal on your RV. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, please like. We appreciate your support. It really helps the channel out. And we will see you next Sunday. How are there other people? There's never been anyone with a basketball here, ever.